Hello. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make your own document of the geometry summer optional work. This is the same for all of the Khan Academy summer packets. I am just going through it with the geometry one. All right, so first we're going to sign into your school email account. Up here, you can see the sign in. Choose my school one. Continue on. And now the view only goes away. It is still a view only document, but you can see all these things that pop up here. Now I'm going to click File and make a copy. Now here over copy, I'm going to write my name. And here, if you'd like to change where you are saving it, which I do, then I'm going to save it just to my drive here. That's optional. Wherever it saves it is fine as long as you remember where it is so that you can show your teacher next year. Okay. And there we have it. Now, this will still be there on the website and all of that. You just can't edit it at all, which is great because if you accidentally delete something on yours, like one of these important links, then you can just go back here and find it and continue on. It'll be okay. All right, so I'm going to close that one now, and then we're going to continue with this. Okay, so I'm going to go to khanacademy.org, and if you've signed in, it may actually just go straight to your Khan Academy account. Mine did. If it does not, up here on the top, you're going to hit either login or sign up. Doesn't matter which one you hit, and choose already a member. And then you're going to say sign in with Google or continue with Google, and that's really important. Don't create an account, just hit continue with Google. All right? That'll connect it to your school account so that you can get it through your school drive. All right. Okay, so when you're signed in, it will record your activity usage, but then we're also going to put screenshots here so that your teacher has a double reference. This is a quick guide reference. It also lets you have a quick guide reference of what you've completed, and then also your teacher can do a deeper dive into it by looking at your actual activity usage in Khan. So be sure you are signed in before you start working. All right, and then I'm going to click link. I'm going to do this one. And you don't have to do it in any particular order, just when you go to put it in here, make sure you put it in the correct one that matches the objective number. So I'm going to go to objective 2. I click the link, and boom, it takes me there, and it's still signed in. If for some reason something's weird and it's not signed in, log in. All right, so I am going to do a couple of these problems. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm not going to make you sit through all of those. And I get 33 over 8. Oop, over 8. Okay. All right. And then it says you've got 6 more. A lot of the objectives are like 4 problems. Some are 7. All right. So it just depends. All right. And then let's say that I don't remember how to do it. I can hit watch a video or use a hint. If I watch a video, this stays open. I haven't missed it. So I always recommend watching the video first if you're stuck. But some students really just don't like watching videos. So you can also hit get a hint. But notice the second I hit get a hint, it turns this dot gray, and that's okay. That's fine. You can do this as many times as you want, but it does count it wrong. All right, so then there it is, and I just leave everything in improper fraction. So I'm going to put that in, and then check it in, and it says, yeah, you got it. But again, it's going to count it wrong. Okay. All right, so I'm not going to go through the rest of these. I'm just going to put 1, and then I'm going to tell it to move on. And it's going to just count all these wrong. So I'm going to get a 1 out of 7. That's okay. I just want to show you what the end screen looks like. Okay, so I got a 14. Yay! And I'm going to now screenshot this. At the bottom, kind of right here on my keyboard, there's a PRTSC. It's above the backspace. I'm going to hit that, and that puts it on my clipboard. If you don't know how to do screenshot on your computer, just search it on the internet. All right, and then I'm going to It's copied it onto my clipboard, so now I'm going to go down to the second one, and then I'm going to either right-click and hit paste, or you can just hit Control-V, whichever one you want. And then boom, there it is. It has my screenshot entered in for the second one. Now, whatever you get, go ahead and paste it in there. And then if you go back and do it again later, paste it in again. This is like a reminder of what you haven't done or where you're weaker and where you're stronger. It will really help your teacher next year differentiate for you personally based on your strengths and weaknesses. Okay, so then that is it, and have a great summer.